So I've been stranded since 10 o'clock. It's now 4:36 in the morning. Since 10 o'clock last night. 2200, no engine. I'm drifting. I've been trying to fix things. So there's no fuel that goes onto the pre-filter. So because I tried everything, changed the filter and everything, but now I see that that line, there's no fuel that goes to it. It must be blocked in there. So I'm going to bypass it, come straight here, and have this extra can with a pump, with that pump plugged directly, bypassing the pre-filter and the last filter. So yeah, it goes straight out to the injectors. So let's hope. Alright, so didn't fix the engine. Took the filters out, replaced the filters, pumped the fuel, changed a different tank with a different pump. Nothing worked. It's I'm sure it's clogged before the pre-filter because I have diesel bug. So diesel bug looks really bad because diesel at the bottom of the tank, so the diesel that was in the filter is full of that bug, of that crap, so that clogs it. So nothing I can do. I'm on my way to Cherbourg, and when I get to the marina I'll see if I can get the tow to get me in without engine. I'll sail down there and see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. I can't believe it. There's land, there's Cherbourg. Probably hard to see on the camera, I don't know. Whoa, what a journey. A lot of issues, engine mostly. Try to, that's why you guys see probably on the track, if you follow the track you see a lot of drifting. It's when I just heave-to or just take sails down when there was no wind to start with. The first time was 5 hours I was trying to sort it out. But finally here, no engine. Engine is dead. So I'll go in, one sail, and hope for the best. I'll let you know.